Welcome back to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Today we explore one of the deepest questions ever asked by humanity. Where's the end of the universe? Not a metaphor, not philosophy alone. A real, scientific question that challenges everything we think we know about space, distance, and reality itself. When people imagine the universe, they often picture a giant empty box filled with stars, galaxies, and darkness. Naturally, the next thought is simple: if there is a box, there must be an edge. But the universe does not behave like objects we see in daily life. To understand why finding the universe's end is so difficult, we must begin with one crucial fact proven by observation: the universe is expanding. Every distant galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy, not because of an explosion through space, but because space itself is stretching. This expansion was first discovered when scientists noticed that distant galaxies appear redder than expected. This redshift showed that space between galaxies is growing. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it moves away, revealing that the universe is not static, but dynamic. Because the universe has a finite age, about 13.8 billion years, there is a limit to how far light has traveled. This creates what scientists call the observable universe, the region of space whose light has had time to reach Earth. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. This number often shocks people because it's far larger than the universe's age. That's because space itself expanded while the light was traveling, stretching distances beyond what seems intuitive. Here is the critical point: the observable universe is not the entire universe, it is only the part we can see. Beyond this boundary, space almost certainly continues, but its light has not yet reached us, and may never reach us. This means the edge we see is not a wall or border. It is simply a horizon, like looking across the ocean and only seeing as far as your eyes allow. The water doesn't end where your vision ends. Now comes one of the most surprising possibilities: the universe may be infinite. If this is true, then no matter how far you travel in any direction, space continues forever without repeating, stopping, or forming an edge. Another scientifically valid possibility is that the universe is finite, but unbounded. This means it has a total size, yet no edges. A common analogy is Earth's surface can walk forever without falling off, yet the surface area is limited. In such a universe, traveling in a straight line long enough could theoretically bring you back to your starting point, not because space loops like a circle, but because its geometry curves on a cosmic scale. But even if the universe has a shape, reaching its end would still be impossible. Why? Because expansion is accelerating. Dark energy is causing space to stretch faster over time, increasing distances faster than we could ever cross them. This creates a cosmic event horizon. Beyond this limit, galaxies move away from us faster than light, not through space, but because space itself expands. Their light will never reach Earth, no matter how long we wait. As time passes, more galaxies permanently disappear beyond this horizon. In the far future, observers in our galaxy may see only the Milky Way, while the rest of the universe becomes completely invisible. Even the most advanced spacecraft imaginable could never reach the edge. No engine can outrun the expansion of space itself. The universe is not just large, it is unreachable in principle. Some people then ask, if space has no end, does time have one? We know the universe had a beginning, the Big Bang, but current evidence suggests it may expand forever without reversing. One likely future is called heat death. Over trillions of years, stars burn out, galaxies fade, and energy spreads evenly. The universe doesn't end dramatically, it simply grows colder, darker, and quieter. Other theories suggest cycles: expansion followed by collapse, followed by rebirth. In such models, the universe has no final end, only transitions from one phase to another. What science clearly tells us is this: there is no known location in space where the universe simply stops. No edge to reach, no boundary to cross. The idea of an ending place may itself be a human misunderstanding. Every time we improve our telescopes, we push the visible boundary farther outward. Each discovery answers one question while creating many more. The universe reveals itself slowly, never completely. So perhaps the end of the universe is not a destination, but a limit of observation. A reminder that reality is larger than perception, and knowledge is always incomplete. Right now, regions of space exist that no human will ever observe, visit, or detect. Not because of lack of technology, but because of the fundamental structure of space-time itself. The universe may not end somewhere far away. It may simply extend beyond every possible horizon, forever out of reach, silently expanding into the unknown. So here's the final question to sit with. If the universe has no edge, no center, and no final boundary, what does that say about our place within it? And if the universe never ends, will our curiosity ever stop?